Hi, my name is Eugene Harnett, and I am the owner of Local App Solutions. I want to thank you for taking the time to go through this with me. I want to share in the next 15 minutes the understanding of an app, a smartphone app, and how it can be used to build your business. And at the end, I do have a special I want to give to you. Today, the smartphone app is taking over, as you know, in the marketplace. So I want to share with you 7 things about a business branded app that you can do that will boost your business. So first of all, what is a smartphone? It's the most powerful tool that exists on the planet Earth today. Even 5-year-olds can figure it out and use it. They're becoming friendly with it. The New York Times said it is the most powerful marketing media ever invented. And why is that? Because inside of it has a video, has a camera, has an audio recorder. You can transmit messages. You can get your newspaper. You can get television. It's all combined within this little device that fits in your pocket that even a 5-year-old could figure out. So these 5-year-olds will be 15. They'll be having to go to get their checkups, and they'll be 25 and becoming parents real soon. When you think about it, you're going to still be around, and I think you'd want to have them as your client. Who really cares? Google spent $12.5 billion because they could foresee that the next 100 years, this is where the market's going. They bought Motorola Mobility, which is the Android phone, the physical phone. That's a huge investment for them. Anchorage Daily News, more local. Their viewership on mobile devices doubled between April and October last year, from 18,000 to 40,000 viewers per day on mobile phones. It has become bigger and bigger here in the local market in Anchorage. And now there are more smartphones in action than there are regular cell phones. We just passed up those numbers in 2012, the January. So what is a business app? I'm going to go through this for you to understand what a business app is. First of all, and I may go quickly. I want to go through this so I can get through most of this today in the next 10 minutes. Both Apple and Android, an app has to be published on both platforms. Your clients will download it for free. It's something you give to them. You have your brochure on it. It's everything you have about your business inside this app. As well as you could put audio, social media is connected, and video in there too. Also, inside the app, a business app, you can provide a way for your clients to pay within the app. You could also have a store in there. You have input forms. For example, pre-visit forms you could put in where people can fill them out before they get to the office on their app. You can also create lists, like an email list for a newsletter if you did, by having opt-ins on your app. You are, in essence, building a relationship of love. You are actually, people love their phones, people love their apps, and when you're on them, they're going to keep you, they like you. I also talk about QR codes later in this presentation, and how those QR codes or coupons you can use also with check-ins, GPS check-ins. You can create a loyalty program from within the app that's really fun and really simple. It is a communication tool. That's what an app is. You communicate to your clients, and they can communicate to you within that app. The most powerful feature is these notifications. These are real-time text messages that you can send out to everyone who has your app, so you can notify them of specials coming up and that type of thing. Why do clients like that? We talked a little bit about it, but in a real practical sense, it's convenient. Everything's packaged there. In my own experience, I have a dentist, but each time I have to look up at the phone book to make an appointment. So if I have it on an app, it's going to make a big difference. Also, an app is anytime, anywhere, everywhere and always, I call it. And also, you could put in there, and people that kind of expect it with the business app, that they have some kind of special connection, maybe an exclusive offer that you give out occasionally. So let me talk about the 7 ways that you can boost your dental practice with a smartphone app. And in fact, actually, I wanted to rename this presentation to How to Create Clients for Life. You know that it takes a lot of energy to get one client. If you can create a relationship with that client, that they like you and they keep you, that's what we're going to do with a smartphone app. First of all, you're giving it away for free. They like it, they'll download it, they're your clients, and you're telling them this is our primary means of staying connected with you. It's going to be on your phone, and this is the way we're going to communicate our messages to you. All your information's there, and the people can, your clients and customers can easily scan your app from QR codes. We'll talk about that. This is a QR code, and you put it on all your advertising copy and literature, so people can quickly get all that information and it stays on their phone. Whether they lose that brochure or not, it's on their phone. Secondly, you're communicating to those people who already like you. You're saving on the delivery of that information, and it's like a postcard. I get these postcards from my dentist, but this is more, it's like it's in my phone. It's a message in my phone. You can do that right away. Whoops. You can send out what we call notifications. These are unlimited and free within the app. You can do that from your own back office within these apps. You can send out announcements. You send out tips, monthly specials, reminders about getting their insurance appointment in before the end of the year, that kind of thing. So you're communicating to those people. Third, they can now communicate back to you directly through their app. They can easily contact you, of course, because all your information's there. They can also send you a voice message without having to call you and interrupt your. They just want to tell you a message and say, I want to set up an appointment. You could have their pre-visit information that they can fill out there. You can also get feedback and response forms that you could put in there and encourage people to do that. If they have some problem with their teeth, you can have them send a photo within the app or set up appointments. Fourth way, so in this process, you are actually building a relationship with your clients. You're not just no longer a postcard in the mail, but you are in their pocket. And you could develop things with social media. I encourage everyone to have a Facebook page as well. Here's an interesting photo of a local dentist who was working on a boar. And it is kind of thing where you could send out and people will pass it on and share it. It's cute, and your name will get out there more. You can also put in client comments, testimonials. Basically, with social media, you stay in their mind. So in this process, your clients are developing loyalty. But within an app, there's what we have the capability of developing QR coupons and also GPS check-ins, in which these are proprietary to the app owner, in which they can receive a discount, or they can receive some kind of a special, or you can give them some kind of a bonus for being a loyal customer. And you can see how many times they've come in for their quarterly checkup all year, and this type of thing. So you are developing this loyalty in a real practical way. Finally, or not finally, but number 6, this is probably the most important, because you are developing you're giving them extra value through this app and through the information that you provide, not just in a freebie, but you can give out tips, reports, put in their reminders, referral links, and this type of thing, where you are actually giving them extra value when they need to get some information. You have that value for them. So you're providing an increased value with an app. Finally, and this is really significant, you can drive their purchasing decisions. For example, you can send out a notice that says the next 3 people who come in will get a free teeth cleaning, or you could say in real time, we have openings now for appointments because of our cancellations, and get people to drive traffic. So marketing has changed. Has your marketing changed yet? Morgan Stanley says that by 2014, internet access on mobile devices will have surpassed conventional computers, laptops, desktops. There'll be more access on mobile devices than on regular computers. That's big. So has your marketing caught up? This is a very powerful question for you right now. You might be thinking about an app, branding yourself with an app, providing mobile value, and I'm going to talk about that in a second with something I have to offer, and building loyalty. What is the marketing purpose of a business branded app? Think about that. What is the key purpose? Besides boosting your dental practice, which is what this title was, it is to create clients for life. You're creating a relationship and developing loyalty and really a client for life. So I, as the owner of Local App Solutions, my name is Eugene Harnett, and I want to offer a free consultation. I'll talk to you more deeply about the specific tools and features and benefits of an app that can be used in your dental practice. Now finally, I have something I want to offer to you, but first I want to explain what a MobiSite is, because I want to give you a mobile website. It's a mobile friendly version of your current website. Do this test right now. Go to your website on your mobile phone and take a look at it. Is it easy to navigate? Do you have to kind of expand it and move it around and figure out where the buttons are and can't really see some of this stuff? What I do is create a mobile friendly version of that website so that people can easily get the information they want. They're on the go, they want to get to it right away on their mobile phones, and I do that. And I can do that for free with every app order this month, April, the tax month. I'm going to offer a free mobile website with every app order. So I want to thank you again for paying attention and listening to this. I hope you learned something. Give me a call if you need. Thank you very much. Make it a great day.